Welcome to Aruki Lens Japan, a mini walking tour through the streets of Tokyo. Today we'll be taking you around the neighborhood of Shimokitazawa in the Setagaya ward. Shimokita, as it's known locally, is often referred to as Tokyo's bohemian neighborhood. Just a few stations west of the wide streets and towering high-rises of Shibuya and Shinjuku, Shimokita's narrow winding streets are lined with thrift shops, theaters, antique shops, bars, restaurants, and cafes, attracting Tokyo's young and fashionable from across the city. In the 1910s, this area was covered with rice fields and farms, but new residents flocked here after the Great Kanto earthquake in 1923, and businesses quickly blossomed around the Shimokitazawa Odakyu line station that opened in 1927. In the 1930s, Shimokitazawa became one of Tokyo's most important black markets, before it urbanized further in the 50s and 60s. The speed of development quickly outgrew the town's pre-war streets, but the hodgepodge mixing of old and new is now part of the neighborhood's charm. There's so much to explore here, but today we'll take a stroll through a few streets around Ichiban-gai. Ichiban-gai means First Street, and it's on the north side of the station, which holds most of Shimokitazawa's older businesses. Our first stop is Tamaiya, a senbei or rice cracker shop. Nestled into a corner off the main shopping street, Tamaiya has been here for 20 years and in business for much longer, according to the owner.
もうね、ここに移ってきても70年超えたから、その前があるから100年は超えました。兄が一番最初にやってたんです。その後、母がそうです。本所というところでやってて、関東大震災で焼け出されて、静岡県の三島っていうところに移って、でそこからここの下北沢に来ました。
Tamaiya sells crunchy rice crackers in various shapes, sizes, and flavors. We were recommended the togarashi, or red pepper flavor. There are plenty of trendy cafes and sweet shops around Shimokitazawa, so it's nice to see that people will still support family businesses selling traditional snacks. Our next stop is a short walk further down the main Ichiban-gai street and then off a side street to the right. Let's go. Shimokitazawa happens to have a large selection of Japanese curry restaurants, and even hosts a curry festival in October with over 100 local curry eateries participating. We will be visiting Kitchen Mizutani, a small curry restaurant plastered inside and out with posters, advertisements, album art, and knickknacks from the Showa era, between 1926 and 1989. Although the decor may be nostalgic, the restaurant and the owner himself are both very young. Kitchen Mizutani has only been in business for 8 months when it took over the location and the decorations from the previous business, a yakitori restaurant.
でこれ前のオーナーの前のお店の人のコレクションで借りてる僕がで返さないといけないです。そうですか。来年ぐらいに。 この昭和っぽさもちょっと残しつつ、
はい。
そうですね、なんかいろいろやってたかな。
We got the coriander chicken as an appetizer. The chicken was juicy, the coriander was bright and fresh, and the vinegar-based dressing was sharp with a hint of spice. Then came the main course, the 3-curry set, which included chicken curry, lamb and pork keema curry, and pork kimchi curry. We added extra coriander, cheese, and pickled quail eggs as toppings. The curry was complex and unique. You could taste every individual spice, but it was balanced and not overpowering. For the warm spices and the nostalgic atmosphere, we'll definitely be back to Kitchen Mizutani. Our last stop is on the next street over from this one, which we can get to through a little alleyway at the end of this road. On the second floor of this building is the Tokyo branch of Jet Set Records. Jet Set sells used and new records, many imported from overseas, but also produces and distributes some analog recordings in-house. Jet Set Records headquarters opened in Kyoto in 1998, and then opened its doors in Shimokitazawa in 2003, but on the south side of the station. They moved to this location right before the 2011 Tohoku earthquake.
タイミング的に。ちょうどここに引っ越してきた1ヶ月後にすごいわ。
The store manager told us that Jet Set takes inspiration from some of the classic vinyl stores of Tokyo's past.
90s にこういうお店がたくさんあったんだけど、もうだいぶなくなっちゃって、そうそう。で、うちはだからそれでまあそういう昔で言うとシスコレコードだったりとかダンスミュージックレコードだったりとかそういう品揃えとかをキープしながら今も続けてるって感じです。割とレコード屋のスタイルとしては割と新しいというよりかは昔のオーセンティックな感じのレコードです。
Since the 2010s, a global analog boom has swept the music industry, and Japan is no exception. Stores like Jet Set are happy to see people discovering or rediscovering a love for vinyl records. We're reluctant to leave the relaxing ambience in Jet Set Records, but let's head back out onto the streets. And this brings us to the end of our mini walking tour of Ichibangai in Shimokitazawa. There's plenty more to see, taste, and hear, so please let us know where you'd like us to wander to next. Thanks for watching. Mata ne!